Hello children, how are you? Fine, okay. So in the previous class, I had given you two questions on the board, right? That you need to solve. I have got many answers, many replies from your end. So it was very nice. And even some children had got some issue, then I have solved it. And first of all, I welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. And I thanks to all of you to follow me, right? Okay, so whoever have come first time, please subscribe it. If you want the video in advance, if you want the class notification in advance. Okay, so in previous class, I have put two questions on the board that is in front of you and you need to solve. This question was based on the chapter, on the topics, right? What I have discussed. Okay, now this is a 25 to the power minus 1 upon 3 and a 3 root under 16. So first of all we'll see this question, how we are going to solve this, right? Okay, so now 25 upon minus 1 upon 3, as I have discussed, just I want to discuss that what we have already discussed in the previous classes. That I have told you, if x is under root, then we can write x to the power half, as it is. Just we are trying to remember it, okay? And as I have told you, you must practice at your home. There's a maths that we should know the 3 mantras, that is a practice, practice, practice. Okay, only practice. If you don't do the practice, you cannot solve. So practice is important. Now we had discussed root, if root under x equal to x half. Why this is half? Because I had told you here it is 2 presents here, right? And 1 is here. That's why we can write x to the power 1 by 2 and we are removing the root. We are removing the root. So if we want to remove this root, we have to write x to the power half. Correct? Okay. And another things we had discussed, if it is x to the power minus 3, we can write like a x to the power 3. This minus sign changes into plus sign. These two things you have to remember while solving this exponents problem. As we had already discussed law of integral exponents in previous two classes, the children who have not attended this previous two classes, please follow my channel and go through the channel. You will get all the previous classes videos there, right? And you go through that, then you can understand it very well, right? Why I have written like this. Good. Now we'll solve this problem and we'll follow the same what I have written here. Okay. Things 25 upon minus 1 upon 3. So what can you write? What can you write? 1 upon 25, 1 upon 3. This minus sign changes into plus sign. Isn't it? Getting my point? Okay, good. Next, what can we write? That you know 1 presents here. So 16 to the power 1 upon 3. Now root is removed. Now root is removed. Okay, this is my the basic ideas to clear. Okay, now root is removed. So what is happening here? Again we'll multiply this 16 to the power 1 upon 3 into 1. So what we can write? 16 upon 1 upon 3 and 25 upon 1 upon 3. Isn't it? Can we write? Can we write? Yes, we can write. Okay. Okay. Now further what can you write? So what we have got 16 upon 25, so root under 1 upon 3. Because both has got the power 1 upon 3, that's why we make it common. Right? So 16 upon 25 to the power 1 upon 3. Now Another, you can solve it or you can leave it here. There is no issue. This may be the answer. Okay. Further, if you want to solve it, then again you can, what you can do, this 16 you have to break. 16 you have to break, or you have to get the prime factor of this 16 digit, right? So what are that in terms of 2 or 3, you can break this in terms of 2 and 3. So we are going to solve this 16 if you want the prime factorization of this. So 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, isn't it? Are you getting my point? Okay, nice, very nice, no issue. Okay, now 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16. So 2 have got 3 and 2. So now we can write 2 to the power 3 and 2. Can we write? Even we can write 2 to the power 4 power. There is no issue. There is no issue, but I have some purpose here. Why I have written like this? Why I have written like this? I will clear this purpose also. Because I want to solve and I want to get the solution further. So sometimes we have to change this pattern. Okay? Sometimes we have to think about that also, because I want the solution. We want the solution. Getting my point? Okay, good. Now 2 to the power 3 into 2 again upon 25, and we are writing 1 upon 3. Even 25 also can be broken. 25 also can be broken. So what can you write? 5 into 5, or you can write 5 to the power 2. Getting my point? Gentlemen, getting my point? Okay, good. So now what is the best part of this? Now again what we are going to do, it is a 2 to the power 3 into 2, and here it is 5 to the power 2. Okay. So now you are getting here 3 is here and 3 is here. Right? And that you know the one of the law of integral exponents, that you know, if a to the power m and if a to the power n, then we add, thus we will take the multiplied form. If a to the power m and a to the power n, so what we do, a to the power m into n. That we do. What we have already discussed in previous class, right? With the examples. Clear it? Okay, done. Now, a to the power m into n, that we have written, the same thing we follow here. Same thing will follow here, and we'll try to change this pattern also. What is that? So we have written 2 to the power 3 into 2, or 5 square. So do we need this 3 power? Then I have to multiply again another 5, or here also. So there should not be any change. There should not be any change in the sum. But we will be able to solve this problem, and we'll be able to get the another solution of this part. Right? Because I have started from here only. Here also you can write the answer, and another you have to solve. If you want to solve another further, then you can solve like this. Right? Okay, done. Now what is the result? What is the result that you can write here? So 2 to the power 3, and now again it is here 5 to the power 5. Okay. The question is why I have multiplied with this 5? Because I need to get the some further solution. So here it is a power 2, and here it is a power 1. So it will be, power will be added 2, 1, 3, and here we have got the 1 upon 3. So that you know the power is multiplied. Power is multiplied. So this will be cut. Okay, now what is now? So again, can you write 2 to the power 3 upon 5 to the power 3 and 1 upon 3 and 2 5 ja 10 to the power 1 upon 3. Can we write? Can we write? Can we write? Yes, gentlemen, we can write. We can write it. How? How? Just I am going to clear this. Listen carefully. Be attentive with me. Have some patience. Okay, right. 2 to the power 3 we have written here. 2 to the power 3, no issue. Again 5 to the power 2, another 5 to the power 1. So we have written 5 to the power 3, another to the power 1 upon 3, another to the power, because it is 1 upon 3 power. We have power 1 upon 3. So this power is not deleted, and nowhere this power has gone. This power is present here. Right? This power is here only. So again, now we are left with this 2 into 5. So 2 into 5 is a 10. 10 to, again this has got the 1 power 3. So just we have splitted this. Just we have splitted this in two terms, in two multiplication terms. So we can get some another further solution for this. Okay. Okay. Now what can you write? This power, this you can write 2 upon 5, 2 upon 5. Okay, just I am going to solve this. Take this sum here only. Okay. I'll write here. I will write here. No issue. Okay. Now what we have written here? Just see. 2 to the power 3 upon 5 to the power 3 and to the power 1 upon 3. So we'll write here 2 upon 5, 2 to the 2 upon 5 power 3, and another power, it is 1 upon 3. It is 1 upon 3 and 2 10 to the power 1 upon 3. Can we write? Can we write? If you have any issue, please comment me. Please put your comment, right? Please put your comment if you have any issue here only. Here we have got no issue. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now 2 to the power 3 and upon 5 to the power 3 over 1 by 3. So I have written the same thing. 2 by 5, because power was the same. So I have written as a common power 3, and this 1 by 3 is the previous power. The same thing I have written here. There is no issue at all. Now with this we have got the answer. What answer we have got? What answer we have got? So 3, because that you know power is multiplied, this 3 is cancelled, so 2 upon 5, again 10 to the power 1 upon 3. This is your answer. So we have got these two answer, this and this. That I have told you that I can write here also, this is your answer, no issue, and this is your answer also. So sometimes we get the multiple choice question A, B, C, D like this. So that time if you want, you can break this also, and if you break this, you will get this answer. Right? How I have got this answer? It is in front of you. You can have a screenshot of this, or you can note it down, or further you can, if you want to see this video again and again, you can see this, how it is clear. That I think it is a crystal clear. Right? I think it is a crystal clear. Now, just I am going to delete this, and I will start the B part of this question. Okay. It is clear? Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you. Now we'll move further. Now the next question that I have put, already we have solved this. Okay. Now we'll solve this question. You have only one question that I have cleared this A part. Now, how can you solve this question? How can you solve this question? This is a question. Okay. How can you solve this? How can you solve this? Anyone? Yeah, you can raise your hand, no issue, or you can write the comment. Okay. Now what can you write here? Just I am writing the same question here. 3 under root 4 to the power minus 5, 1 upon. Okay, so what can you write? 1 upon 4 to the power minus 5 upon 3. Can you write? Can you write? Just remember, gentlemen, I had written root under x equal to x to the power 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. The 2 presents here and 1 is here. So 1 and 2. Just think about this. 1 upon 2. Clear it? So that way, with the same fashion, I have written 4 to the power minus 5 upon 3. minus 5 upon 3. Okay. Okay. Now, what can you do with this? What can you do with this? Further, what can you do? Further, what can you do? Okay. Can we write like this? 4 to the power 5 upon 3? Can we write? Can we write 4 to the power 5 upon 3? Because minus sign will change here. 4 to the power 5 upon 3. This you can write the answer. There is no issue. There is no issue, gentlemen. You can write the answer. 4 to the power 5 upon 3. It was a very easy question. Right? Right? Okay. Very good. Very good. We'll take some another examples. You can note it down. And we'll take some another examples. And okay, we'll take some another examples also. Good. So, I'm going to read this and we'll take some another question. What is that question? What is that question? Gentlemen, this is a very important part. This is a very important part and this is a very much important questions and which will enable you to save your time in your exam. If you know the basic methods how to solve this. Basic, gentlemen, I always believe in basic concept. Your basic concept must be clear. If your basic concept is clear, everything is clear. Done. Two things you must remember. Two things keep in your mind, that is a triple P and basic concept. These two things keep in your mind, that I'm giving you guarantee you can solve any type of questions. Any type of question. Right? But you have to practice. Okay. Have some patience. Come on. Now, another question. 4 root under, again another root, 3 under, again there is a x square. There is a x square. How you are going to solve this question? How you are going to solve this question? Gentlemen, that I have decided I will take such as example, such as questions which will clear your more doubts. And this is my principle, that I won't leave any stone unturned. I will turn every stone. Please. And that I must say to you, and I say to all of you, I request all of you, you also do the same things. Math practice, right? And break this. Whatever sum you get, go according to the sum. Go according to the sum. What he says. What he says. This is a 4 root under 3 root under x square. So how you are going to solve this question? That we can remember. What you can remember? That 4 under, can you write like this, x to the power 2 upon 3? Can you write like this, x upon 2 upon 3? Can you write? Yes, you can write. Yes, you can write. How can you write? Question is, how can you write? So we must have the answer. On which basis we are going to write? That we have already discussed. Root under x equal to, we can write x to the power half. X to the power half. We can write it. That's why in the same method I have written x to the power 2 upon 3. X to the power 2 upon 3. Gentlemen, x to the power 2 upon 3. Can you remember this? Can you remember this? Okay. Another what can you write? X to the power 2 upon 3 and another. This by power 4. This must be by power 4. So you can write 1 upon 4. Can you write like this? Gentlemen, can you write like this? Can you write like this? Yes, we can write like this. Yes, we can write like this. How? Just think about this. We have the answer. Okay. Now, how you are going to solve this? That you know, a to the power m and power is n. So, power is multiplied. So, 2 upon 3 into 1 upon 4. 2 2 are 4. So you can add x to the power 1 upon 6 is your right answer. Is your right answer. That we have solved it and we have got the answer. We have got the answer. Now you can note it down. Then we'll see the further question how we are going to simplify some other type of question. How we are going to solve some other type of question. So you have to simplify the things. You have to simplify the things. If you are unable to simplify the things, you cannot solve any type of question. So you have to simplify the things. Okay. Now we'll take some another type of question which will simplify some other type your doubts. Try to understand me. The question I am going to take, that will simplify, that will answer your doubts. Please note it down. Please note it down or have a screenshot. Okay, I am going to put some another type of question. Now, what is that question? What is that question? Okay. So, the question is very much important. I think I am going to take a best example for this, right? What is that question? Okay. X to the power a plus b. Try to understand this question. X to the power a plus b and power 2. And power 2. Another question is x to the power b plus c and power 2. And power 2. Okay, just note down. Here, x to the power a plus b and power 2. Another, that is b plus c and power 2. Right. Another, x c plus d, x to the power c plus d and power 2. Below it is written, what is that? X to the power a, x to the power a and x to the power b and x to the power c, or this whole has got power 4. Okay, now you have to simplify this. You have to, question is simplify. So how can you simplify this? How can you simplify this? How can you simplify this? This is a question. Who can simplify? Anyone? Anyone of you who can simplify this question? Yes, anyone has got answer? Very good. Please try. Please try. Okay. Okay. Now we'll remember the rule of law of integral exponents. We'll remember the rule of law of integral exponents. What is that rule? What says our rule? You must remember the rule. I don't say that you just write 5 times, 10 times, 20 times. No. You, whenever you solve the problem, remember the rule. What we had already discussed in previous classes, that a to the power m, and if it is a power n, we can write a to the power m into n. So this is a hints for you. This is a hints for you. Again, we write m into a to the power n, so we write a to the power m plus n. These all are hints for you. How you are going to solve this question. These two laws can solve this question. These two laws. Right? And we'll repeat the same law here also. How you are going to repeat, that we are going to see this. Okay. Now, just I have discussed power m into n. So we have written power m into n. Now, what will you write here? Just I am going to simplify. Simplify in the simplifier, that is from the grassroots level. That is from the grassroots level. Okay, come on. Now 2 into a, x to the power, we are multiplying this because power is multiplied. So 2 into a, it is a 2a, again 2 into b, it is a 2b into. Another x comes, 2 into b, 2b, and 2 into c, 2c. Another x comes, c plus d, 2 into c, 2c, and 2 into d, 2d. Is it correct? Is it correct? Up to here, it is clear to you? It is clear to you? Yes. Yes. Now, going forward, what again we are going to do this, 4 is multiplied with this. So, x into 4 to the 4a into x to the power 4b and x to the power 4c. 4c. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. It is clear to you. It is clear to you. Very good. Come on. Come on. Now power is added. It is in a multiplication form. So power is added. What will do? Power is added. Right? Okay. So gentlemen, x to the power 2a plus 2b. Again this power will be added. 2b plus 2c. Again this power will be added. 2c plus 2d. Do you remember this? If a to the power m into a to the power n, a to the power m plus n. So all power will be added. So all power will be added. Right? Because their base is same, their x. So the whole power will be added. Getting my point? Okay, done. Now again here x to the power 4 to the power a. Again here also base is same. So gentlemen, power will be added. So x to the power 4a plus 4b plus 4c. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Yes. Yes. So gentlemen, this is the beauty of this power. This beauty of this law of integral exponents. Right? By seeing this sum, you will feel that, oh, sorry, I cannot solve it. But no need to say this, because you have the power of law, that you know the law. If you know the law, you can solve this. Right? If you know the law, this sum will allow you to solve. Power is allowing you to solve. Correct? Okay, come on. So gentlemen, what can you write? X to the power, again, x to the power. So 2a here. Where is that? Just A, B, B, C and C, D. I think we have left something. A plus B, B plus C, A, B, C. There is some A plus B, B plus C. Oh, sorry, C plus A. It is C plus A. Just correct it. It is C plus A. It is a C plus A. Just correct it. Just correct it. Sorry for this. It is a C, A. Right. Right. It is in place of D, there was A in question. Right. Now, just I have changed it. Now, what is that? 2a and 2a. What is that? X to the power 4a. X to the power 4a. Now, again, what is that? Plus this 2b and this 2b. 4b. And this 2c and this 2c. 4c. Again, it is written here. X to the power 4a plus 4b plus 4c. So, this both part are cancelled because these both are same. So, answer is 1. Answer is 1. Gentlemen, are you getting my point? Are you getting my point that what I have tried to show you here on the board? Right? Right? We have, if you start to solve this question, or in starting if you don't know the law of in this exponents, how to solve this, so it will be very hard to solve you. But if you know the law, if you remember the law, that you can solve this and you have got the answer 1. This is the beauty of this law. This is the beauty of this law. Gentlemen, anything you want to say, put it in comment box. Anything you want to say, put in comment box. So I will be happy to reply your comments. I will be happy to reply your comments. Right? Right? Anything? Anything? Okay. Okay. This is the best part of this chapter that you have solved. Okay? You can note it down or have a screenshot. And further in the next class, we'll see some another examples from this chapter only. That is a law of integral exponents. What I have promised with you, what I have promised with you, that I will clear your basic concept, means I will clear your basic concept. I will clear your basic concept, right? I will clear. So this is the law that will enable you to solve the any type of question from this chapter further. Or further, if you have not subscribed till now, please subscribe, like and share. So this will work as a motivations for me to make some another classes to another videos on the topics, or I will bring some more useful contents for you. Okay, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. And it is necessary also, because if you want the notification in the advance for the next class, so it is necessary. If you subscribe, you will get the notification in advance. And thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.